Yo guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a special day because I will be spraying my front bumper. Now I know I mentioned in the previous video, if you haven't watched the previous video, I smoothed my front bumper because it was full of number plate holes where the number plate frame used to be. I deleted the headlight washers. I also debadged it, so there was so many holes that I had to get rid of. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, or if you want to take some tips and some tricks that I use, then go ahead. I'll leave the link up here and then you can watch that. But yeah, today I'm going to be spraying my front bumper. I know I mentioned that I was going to get Jordan to do it, but because I have two very impractical cars, I was going to get a hire car, put the bumper in the boot somewhere and then take it to Jordan. But yeah, that's not happening anymore because my mate at work actually has a unit. Him and his mate have a unit together, and he messaged me the other day and said he watched my video and said that you're more than welcome to come to the unit and spray your bumper. So yeah, I'm really excited to that's what I really wanted to do myself, because I love doing work on the S2000 myself. I tried to do everything. I did the coil over install. Again, videos will be on my channel if you want to watch that. I changed my brakes. I didn't film changing the rear calipers because that was just that was too hectic. Installing my vertex wheel, that was really fun to do. And yeah, it's just little bits here and there that I like to do myself on the S2000. So if you guys want to watch any of those videos, then please make sure to do that. But yeah, I'm gonna head straight there to the unit now. It's really dark and like gloomy. I've had to fit the front bumper on the S2K, so I'm in the S2K now. But yeah, we'll get on the road. It's about a 30-minute drive, and then yeah, we'll get this vlog started. So once again guys, thank you for all the support. I really appreciate it. Let's keep smashing the likes and keep subscribing. I really appreciate it. So I just wanted to say thank you again. Right guys, so I made it to the unit. I'm going to introduce Brad. I don't know if he's going to be camera shy, but he's in his car. You want to say hi to the vlog?
You alright guys, how's it all going?
Yeah.
Welcome to the unit.
So yeah, this is Brad and Lewis's unit. I'll show you Lewis when he comes through. Quite a lot of cars. You can fit like 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 6, 7 cars. But yeah, this is where I'm going to be spraying my front bumper. I've just got to block it down, but it's been raining like fucking well heavy on the way here, so I'm gonna have to let it just gonna blow dry the bumper to get rid of the moisture and then block it down, and then we'll go from there. I'm not gonna vlog the whole process. I think I'm just gonna strap a GoPro to my head and then maybe do a commentary over the top, because yeah, time is money, so I want to get this done. And I've also got a front lip that you guys didn't know about. I'll quickly show you that. So the front lip's just like it's been bent because I didn't have a way of putting in the car. S2K life, convertible problems. So yeah, this is the front lip that I bought. The good thing about this sort of type of material is you can get a heat gun on it and it will just literally just go back to its original form. But yeah, that's the front lip that I'm going to try and spray today as well. And yeah, Brad's working on his car. He's doing some brake stuff. So yeah, I'm going to put it down and get the bumper off the car and then start sanding. Right guys, it's now like the end of the day. We finally managed to do my bumper, and I'll just show you guys. You can see, bam! It looks a lot better. It looks a lot better from this distance, doesn't it? I think it looks alright, but if you get too close then you see all the imperfections and stuff where it's all sunken, and yeah, my prep work wasn't that great. I mean, the camera can't really pick it up, but... And we mocked up the splitter. It's actually not on there, it's just sort of on there but not secured. But it actually looks alright. The colour match, it looks really purple on the screen. Oh yeah, this is Lewis. This is Lewis. Yeah, Brad's over there. It's amazing. And yeah, this is, they let me use the unit for the day, so yeah, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I'll edit the GoPro stuff and just, yeah. Hope you guys like the new bumper. I'll try and do my splitter some other time. These boys said I can come back and do this, so it's still a little bit soft, but we're gonna run it. So yeah, how do you like it?
It looks good, yeah. First time you prepping up something like that. Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
What do you think, Lewis? Rate it out of 10.
I just rate it as I think I need an S2000 now. So.
Ooh. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to click that like, and if you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.